Very warm good morning from the land of King Cobras, that is Agumbe. So, very warm welcome, guys, to my new vlog and a new video with my friends Antonio Freud and Arshad. So, right now we are in Agumbe, the land of King Cobras and the Chirapunji of South India. So, where we get the highest amount of rainfall. Just now we woke up and we have freshened up, and now we are going to have the breakfast. So guys, be tuned. I'm going to show you the Agumbe today, and let's go. Let's explore the land of cobras. So guys, be tuned.
Morning, friends. Finally, we have reached our destination, Agumbe, which is also called as
Chirapunji.
Chirapunji of South India. So we are all getting ready, getting set to explore Chirapunji of South India, and we are too ready here to have our breakfast. And our friend is still in the bathroom. He's just getting himself ready.
So we're waiting for him.
We are waiting for him, my friends, to explore Agumbe.
Let's go.
Let's move.
तो गाइस अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए. सो मी अंतोनियो, वी हैव अरशद भाई आ चुके हैं. तो लेट्स गो.
Brothers, we have ordered for now masala dosa. It's a local specialty here in this restaurant, and we are going to start our day with the masala dosa, very special over here. And now we have just ordered. The waiter has come and taken the order, and we are waiting for him to serve and start our day.
So guys, right now we are in Chirapunji of South India. So there's a very pleasant and cozy environment here, and I think probably maybe a 20-degree temperature, 20 degrees Celsius. And now we are here for breakfast. So we have ordered masala dosa, which is made up of rice and with the potato smashed. And so that's the breakfast where we're gonna do right now. And I'm gonna show you how the breakfast is, how the food is of South India. So stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned. Hello. Kanta. Mar photo mar.
हाय, जैसे आप देख सकते हो हम लोग का मसाला डोसा आ गया है. और दिस इज वन ऑफ द लाइक बेस्ट यू कैन से द ऑथेंटिक फूड ऑफ द साउथ इंडियन.
Authentic.
और इसमें खाने बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. उसमें नॉर्मली एक बैटर जैसा बेस रहता है, मेड ऑफ राइस, और उसके साथ एक सब्ज़ी रहती है लाइक स्मैश आलू के साथ. एंड as you can see, it's very soft and very yummy. Yeah, and this will go in my mouth now. One of the best.
So guys, I'm with the masala dosa. You can see the triangle one. It's in the shape of triangle, and we have which is called sambar, and we have the coconut chutney. So this is a sauce made up of coconuts, and we have the potato smash inside the masala dosa. That's how the masala dosa is made, including all this. So it is called masala dosa. It's very nice. You can feel the taste of ghee. So it's really nice. It's a ghee masala dosa, right? What's
Ghee.
your Anthony? Yeah, it's a ghee masala dosa. बहुत ही अच्छा है दोस्तों, बहुत ही लजीज है, बहुत ही टेस्टी
Talk
है.
about the chutney, no? Chutney was also
Chutney
good.
is also good. इस चटनी में डुबो के खा लिया, अभी सांभर में डुबो के खाएंगे. So go with सांभर.
Too good, too good.
So guys, after the masala dosa, I'm trying this mendu vada. What is called is mendu vada in South India. So this is what we get in also in Goa, but not the taste what we get in South India. So let's go, guys. Let's try the mendu vada and along with the chutney and the sambar as well. The same like what we had in the masala dosa. So I don't know exactly what it's made of, but it's crunchy and really nice. I like it. So let's try.
Samaran घालिलो. एक samaran घाल.
You want to try, Antonio?
No, no. Samaran घालून try करे. No, I have ordered for bhaji puri and just waiting
Okay, that's
for him
fine.
for it to come.
So Antonio have ordered bhaji puri. So he's waiting for bhaji puri. So let me finish this alone. कैसा है पूरी अंतोनियो भाई?
I have ordered for kurma bhaji and puri. Oh, awesome, awesome.
So guys, we have finished with the breakfast. Right now I'm with the coffee. So we're
Black
gonna
coffee.
explore the Agumbe right now, and after the breakfast, so we all have finished the breakfast. We are with the tea and me with the black coffee always. So let's go, guys. Let's explore Agumbe.
Yes. काय गोंयचो मोग आहा गोवान आता न्हू?
भरपूर
मग त्याला ते खबर नसतं न्हू तर मेन ते गोवन पळय आमकां मरे न्यूज खबर नसतं न्ही माझी मावशी मरे पुणे असतं.
गाइस हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक छोटे से वाटरफॉल पे. हम लोग फिलहाल है अगुम्बे में, आपको पता ही होगा. तो हम लोग अगुम्बे में एक छोटा सा फॉल है, हम वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. छोटा है या बड़ा हमको पता नहीं है, तो हम लोग उसका फॉल का नाम भी पता नहीं है. तो अभी हम लोग उधर जाएंगे और हम लोग देखेंगे कि कैसा है वाटरफॉल और आपको भी दिखाएंगे. सो लेट्स गो गाइस एंड एक्सप्लोर द वाटरफॉल इन अगुम्बे. सो लेट्स गो. So guys, right now we are near the waterfall which is called Barkhane waterfall in Agumbe. So we have parked our car here, and there's a small, I think probably 1.5 to 2 kilometers walk. So we're gonna trek for 2 kilometers. So let's go, guys.
सुनी ना.
सो अभी हम लोग है बहुत ही डेंस जंगल में. तो पता चला है कि यहाँ पर हाथी है, बहुत सारे हाथी है और टाइगर भी है, लेपर्ड भी है. सो उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमें कोई ना मिले. हमें ऐसी मुलाकात नहीं चाहिए. सो क्या बोलते हैं अंतोन भाई?
I'm really excited walking on this trek in the nature, in the jungles of Karnataka. So dense and thick forest here. Really exciting, and we need to walk, it seems, around by what is told to us by the forest guard at the gate. It's not free here. We need to pay the entry fee and get through. And we have been told that the forest is very thick and we need to walk around 2.5 kilometers. So to and fro it will be 5 kilometers.
Right now we are in Agumbe, which is Chirapunji of South India and the land of king cobras. So we are heading towards the one of the fall, which is called Markhane Waterfall. So guys, so we trek around 1 kilometer right now. So we are heading. I think we are close because we hear the sound of the waterfall. So let's go, guys. Let's go, Antonio.
Let's go!
Go. टाइगर मेरा फाइट करपा शकता तुम्ही
एक्चुअली मुझे तो तेका दोयन पळोवंक जाय भियोंक उपकारना I I I don't want that to happen, but in case it happens, then there is no other option here. We have to run for our life.
So you fight or you die.
Yes, that's the only thing we can do. What we have learned in the sports, we fight till the last point. Yes, very easy. But what happens most of the time, people tend.
Yes, sir.
Fall. This is the water just flowing. We need to see the waterfall. At what height does it fall from?
बहुत ही अच्छा है दोस्तों, बहुत ही प्लीजेंट क्लाइमेट है यहाँ पर। स्विमिंग प्रोहिबिटेड है यहाँ पर, हम स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं। सो इसी वजह से आज हम लोग यहाँ पर स्विमिंग नहीं करने वाला है। फ़ोटो में देखा था कि बहुत ही ज़ोरों से पानी आ रहा था, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। फिर भी पानी है, ऐसा नहीं कि पानी नहीं है।
Hey, swimming is prohibited.
तो गाइस अभी हम लोग वाटरफॉल से आ चुके हैं और अभी हमारा अरशद भाई एक शॉप पे गए हैं जहाँ पर पूछने के लिए कि मालगुडी डेज जो घर है वो किधर शूट हुआ था। तो ये पता करने के बाद अभी अरशद भाई आएंगे तो फिर हम लोग वो स्पॉट पर जाएंगे जहाँ स्वामीनाथन का घर था। सभी ट्यून है। तो अभी हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं मालगुडी डेज जहां पर स्वामीनाथन का घर था। आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, ये स्वामीनाथन का घर है, स्वामी का, जहां पर मालगुडी डेज का शूटिंग हुआ था। तो बहुत सालों बाद बचपन की यादें ताज़ा करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं। आप देख सकते हैं।
जाना असतो भुरगीं म्हणटा कितें न्हू मजा दवरपाक वयर आमी हें
देखते हैं कि हमें अंदर मिलता है या नहीं, क्योंकि अभी आंतोनियो भाई उधर जा चुके हैं पूछने के लिए कि हमको अंदर अलाउ करेंगे क्या।
यार
देखते हैं।
दिस फोटो
Only outside, yes.
I can come.
Yeah. So we are allowed to go inside, but the photography inside is not allowed. So guys,
This mirror for-
unfortunately I cannot show you from inside. So that's it. Guys, we explored inside the Swami's house, which is Malgudi Day's house. And unfortunately I cannot show you from inside, but the madam inside, she was very, very, very
Cooperative.
welcoming, and she was very cooperative to allow us inside to see the house. So we thank her, and let's go forward. Let's go ahead.
Lots of memory got refreshed.
This down the memory lane, and there are fond memories of watching that serial in the late 80s and mid 80s, and the owner of this house, madam, really was very graceful and allowing us to have a view inside, but she did not, but she said photography inside is prohibited, otherwise but madam have been really kind enough and very nice and very cooperative to give us information, and we feel so nice that we have finally reached here after a lot of difficulties and wrong tracking and wrong places, because people here speak in Kannada, and we could not much understand them. We once and twice we missed the location, but finally we reached the destination, and we take this opportunity to thank the lady here, the owner of this house, for refreshing our Malgudi days.
तो गाइस अभी हम लोग ने स्वामी का घर देख चुके हैं, जो कि मालगुडी डेज का फेमस कैरेक्टर था। अभी सीधा यहाँ से हम लोग जा रहे हैं जोग फॉल, जहाँ पर एशिया का सबसे बड़ा फॉल है। इट्स द लॉन्गेस्ट वाटरफॉल इन होल एशिया। इट्स अ जोग फॉल। वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द जोग फॉल। सो आफ्टर watching the house of Swami in the famous, who is the famous character of Malgudi days. So guys, be tuned. तो दोस्तों हमारे साथ एक छोटा सा हादसा हो चुका है, क्योंकि हमारा कूलेंट का पाइप फट चुका है। तो अभी हम लोग मैकेनिक का वेट कर रहे हैं, तो हमको यहाँ से चलने में थोड़ी देर होगी। सो अभी अंतोनियो भाई कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, अपने से जो होता है वो कर रहे हैं। तो देखते हैं वो अगर रिपेयर कर पाते हैं। मेरे को नहीं लगता कि रिपेयर करेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग मैकेनिक का वेट करेंगे तब तक, और फिर चलेंगे। सो गाइस अभी अपना गाड़ी रिपेयर के लिए चालू है मैकेनिक के पास। तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर खाना खाने के लिए आए हैं, मैं, अंतोनियो और हमारे अरशद भाई। तो अभी फ़िलहाल हम लोग एक लोकल रेस्टोरेंट में है, बहुत ही लोकल रेस्टोरेंट यहाँ का, जो ऑन द वे था। हम लोग यहाँ से अगुम्बे से हम लोग जोग फॉल जा रहे हैं। तो रास्ते में एक गांव मिला है, वहाँ पर बहुत ही लोकल फूड आज खाने के लिए हम लोग इधर रुके हैं। हम लोग ने चिकन बिरयानी और चिकन लेग पीस को ऑर्डर किया है, आपको दिखाएंगे ज़रूर, देखिएगा।
Yes.
Yo?
Yes.
Oh. So guys, the biryani looks delicious. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna have a bite first, and we have a leg piece. So also leg piece of chicken. And so we're gonna try this lunch. So let's go, guys.
Green.
उसको उनका तो मैं बोलेगा।
How is that, Antonio? Fries?
Oh, so far so good, and with the lime on it. Oh, wow.
Very nice, guys. Awesome.
And the
You can
local,
feel the texture
local
of the
chili soft
spice.
drink.
And I have ordered for a local soft drink, especially to know the real taste of the soft drink. So, oh, it's too good. It has their own specialty and their own local taste. Cannot be compared to the multinational drinks. So, very good taste. Cheers. Activa.
दोस्तों अभी हम लोगों ने खाना खा लिया है, खाना पूरा ख़त्म कर लिया है, और बहुत ही बेहतरीन खाना था, बहुत ही टेस्टी खाना था। लेग पीस का कोई जवाब नहीं, और बिरयानी का भी कोई जवाब नहीं, बहुत ही टेस्टी और डिलीशियस था। सो अगर आप अगुम्बे से शिमोगा जा रहे हैं और मोहम्मद फयाज भाई का रास्ते पे तीर्थहल्ली बोल के एक गांव है, वहाँ पर एक रेस्टोरेंट है, इनका बहुत ही लोकल रेस्टोरेंट है, और लोकल फ्लेवर के साथ ये पकाते हैं। बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही डिलीशियस है, बहुत ही टेस्टी है गाइस।
From the Toss Road job for Lap Powder.
गोंयान जॉब सेम रेट म्हणटात आतां आमी येयल्या न्हू. Yes, there's some small technical problem with the vehicle and we have to get to the mechanic and he's doing his job. Hope he gets it ready by now. He says by another 2 hours it should be ready. So if it gets so, then we can proceed further and complete our mission. Let's hope for the good.
So guys, due to our vehicle breakdown, so we had to stay for something around 3 to 4 hours. So that's the reason we are here in a town called Tirthalli. So it's near Shimoga and it's between the Agumbe and Shimoga. So we are right now exploring Tirthalli due to the vehicle breakdown. So let's go guys, and we're gonna have some snacks and tea as well. So let's see.
Yes.
So guys, we are with the snacks. It's called Mysore Bhaji. This is made up of rice, I guess, and we have to dip this in a chutney, coconut chutney. So like this. There you go.
वो ये एक लाव रहे वेटर
Yes, I'm tasting this
ये
Mysore
हाँ
and it's very good. I think it's a local dish from here. So we are just loving it and we are hungry also, so we're having it.
इसको क्या बोलता है
Soul papdi.
वाह सो रिफ्रेशिंग माय पावना मरे तो त्याचो भाई तो बरें स्मायल दिताले म्हाका एकटे बाय तेंचे पळय रे ते
बहुत ही शानदार चाय है दोस्तों, बहुत ही शानदार। ये जिंजर टी है, सो इट्स टेस्टिंग रियली रियली गुड। और अपने अरशद भाई को पूछते हैं कि उनकी कॉफ़ी कैसी है।
कॉफ़ी भी अच्छी है। मैंने कहा था कि उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग देने के लिए रिफ्रेशिंग चाहिए, क्योंकि उसने एज पर माई रिक्वेस्ट ही किया है। इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग और मज़ा आ रहा है पीने के लिए। सुपर्ब।
रनिंग बरें जालें मरे तुमकां रायट ना हो आख्खो एकूच
यो
city called Tirthalli, and we have been here now, been taking rounds around, and we have seen so many flower vendors, and there are so many flowers here. And on this auspicious day, we wish all our friends a happy and prosperous Diwali.
Happy Diwali for everyone.
So guys,
कित्याक
wish you all a very prosperous and happy Diwali, all of them, to all my friends, all my brothers and my sisters. Happy Diwali, happy Diwali.
We are here in Tirthalli, and we are in the midst of so many decorations, special decorations for Diwali festival in these stalls, and they have been doing brisk business. And we take this opportunity on this auspicious day to wish one and all our friends a happy
Diwali.
and bright Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys.
Happy Diwali.
So guys, we are in Tirthali, so we saw this cafe, so it was very attractive. So we thought of coming inside. So we have ordered one Gadbad ice cream, and Mr. Arshad have ordered Faloda, and
Yes, I too have ordered for a faloda, and
I think Gadbad.
oh sorry, it's all gadbad today. So I would like to have gadbad, and once for all settled with gadbad. It's really it's too very. We are in much tension because of our vehicle. It's a minor problem, but being a public holiday, parts are not available, and however our mechanic from 1:30 has been struggling to put the things and fix up the matter. But still it's not happening. But just now we called him and got the good news that he's going to repair and get the things done and fix it for us to continue our journey back to Goa.
In the meantime, we have explored the city. It is very awesome, very clean and tidy, not like the other cities in Karnataka or in Goa or any other part of India. We like it really. It's a small town, but it's amazing. Antonio can explain you better.
Yes, I really appreciate the city. We say these people, we always say these Karnataka people dirty the place. I'm sorry to say, but I'll tell you, those people who say this, please come to this part of the Karnataka place called Tirthali. You're good. Ah, boy, so romantic Marathi. Remember my those romantic days, म्हणून सांगता आता. Clear, Baba? See, it's been now 2 days, almost 2 days that we are out of Goa, and we have landed up in a small problem here. And to refresh ourselves, and can you sing an Alfred Rose song for me?
Alfred Rose song. Alfred Rose song. Let me recall some songs.
Yes, please do.
I might sing whichever I know.
Yes, any song, any Konkani of song of Alfred Rose.
I think you are a big fan of Alfred Rose.
Yes, I do.
So guys, our Antonio Frois is a big fan of Alfred Rose. He is a very famous Konkani singer from Goa. His name is Alfred Rose, late Alfred Rose. So I'll give a try.
You can give a try. Very good.
I won't say it will be a perfect.
Fine, it's all right for
I'll
us.
try my,
as long as you can
yes.
sing it.
मोगान जाल्ले ते जावं तूं म्हजो गोडाचो पाव म्हाका सोडशी तर जीव दितलो हांव म्हाका फुलयलोलो फोर्सा मोग जाल्लो गेल ते माणसान आजून तोंड हांवें मोगाची गोडसाण मोग तुजो आसा म्हणून धांवून येता जाल्ले ते जाल्ले सगळे विसर आतां तुई कशी गो सगळे सोसून घेता वो तुका फुडाराची राणी करून राजा हांव जाता
Wow! Viva! Great, Rubet bhai! So
Viva,
nice.
Viva.
So nice at this moment, you know. Really felt so nice. Super memories.
बिश्टे रागार जावोन कित्या वयताय जावोन तुज्या मोगान हांव वयता गो भावोन मोगान जायते बाये गोडटा केन्ना हांसता केन्ना रोडटा तशें तुवें हांवें सोजमोचें पडटा मोगा तूं म्हजो सूख म्हणटा मोगाचो रूख गोपान आसकोत तूं लागना म्हाका भूक आगो मोग जाल्लो पोरूं वयता कशें हात धरू दर्या लोटान वयता मोगाचें तार
Oh, great!
पायण्यान दोलयता म्हणून बिश्टेच मुडलें मोग सोजमोनाय म्हणून रागान फुल्लें दुबाव लागताय कोणाकूय बुलबुल्लें ओ म्हाका फोटोन काळीज तुटोन हात दाखोवन चल्लें
Oh, great, Ray. Great. So fond memories of Alfred Rose.
Yeah.
Good one. With due respect to Alfred Rose, more than his melody, I really like the lyrics of Alfred Rose. I find he is not famous only because of his melody, but also because of his lyrics. Lyrics were too good. His story is a song with a message. Every song Alfred Rose sang was with a message, and he touched different subjects. Alfred Rose is a legend. My salute, being a Goan and a Konkani lover and a strong fan of Alfred Rose. My salute to Alfred Rose.
So guys, this was a request from Mr. Antonio Frois. So we are having a good time right now. We are done with the ice cream as well, with the which is Gadbad and the Faloda. And now we are finished with the Faloda and Gadbad, and we are heading towards our mechanic where we have given the vehicle for repair. So guys, be tuned. And that was a song for Mr. Antonio Frois.
Thank you,
He's
Ben.
a big fan of Alfred Ross.
Thank you.
So
I'm a
guys,
fan of
stay
you
tuned.
too now. बाय बाय कर्नाटका. हाँ बाबा ये कहाँ पहुँच गया? कौन सा नाम गांव का? ओ भैया इधर क्या नाम गांव का? जॉग फॉल्स. वही सारखे पावलेले मरे आम्ही. अभी 1 hour कितना? We are so fortunate that our car is finally repaired and we have started our journey back to Goa. But unfortunately, we cannot go to Waterfall, Jog Waterfall, the world famous Jog Waterfall, as we have reached here at this hour and it's so dark around and it's been raining heavily. So friends, it's goodbye, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.
So guys, we have finished with this vlog, and please do like, as Antonio and Arshad Bhai said, like, share, comments and subscribe, and please share it, and bye bye, see you, take care.